Can't nobody run that fast as I can. You know, in high school, they used to call me fastest Barry Allen, fastest man alive. Whew, man. That's what us down here in the South like to call a run. Howdy, my name is Mountain Man. Back again with another Mountain Man video. Today we're gonna be practicing our Second Amendment rights and looking at some guns. Before we look at this real nice gun. Let's crack open this Budweiser beer, Diet Bud. They call it Bud Light, but that's just the government trying to scam me out of getting. That's the best. Anybody try to get you out of drinking a beer, get the diet stuff, because the diet stuff is healthy for you, and it tastes a lot better. Oh my goodness. It is like nectar from heaven's mouth. This is like beer maple syrup from the sap of heaven trees. You know, for all you Europeans out there watching this video, wonder why I'm able to drink this is because America is one of the only countries where you can legally drink alcohol. And I'll tell you, the United Kingdom and Canada has been trying to change that for the past 15 years. Listen, you Europeans. I'm sick and tired of you European on my legal rights as an American citizen. Look at that. I can drink that. Check it out. Check it out. I can shotgun this drink right now. All right, I don't want to get. All right, the night's approaching, so let's go on ahead and talk about our guns. It's a gun I got for $3. It's a chainsaw and a gun. Watch. It's a gun. It's a gun as well as a chainsaw. It's a gun. It's a gun. Like, there's snakes. My cousin Louie told me there was snakes in those bushes over there. I'm not touching it. I wonder if I could shoot you. Oh, jeez. I might not want to do that, otherwise I might break my camera. Yeah, pretty good. And then of course it doubles as a chain. Watch this. Watch. See a chainsaw? See that coming like 4 inches from your face? That's gonna wipe your face right off your body. See that? That's just gonna keep on spinning, come at your face, and then boom, whole face skin just gone. It's very, 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 like, the fact that they can put a gun on a chainsaw is revolutionary. That's probably the biggest word I've ever said in my life. See ya. Yeah, I'd probably give this gun 100 out of 10. It's a very, very, very good gun. See a chainsaw at the end? Yeah. So let's finish the video off like we always do. Thank all of you so much for contributing to society. And don't forget to vote for... I don't know who's running for president. I've been up here for like 15 years making moonshine. God save the Queen. God save America. God save our guns. Thank you all so much for watching. Good luck, Charleston.